Hey, this is Danny from Talkatoo, and today I'm going to show you how to install Talkatoo on a Windows computer. First, you're going to pull up your web browser, and we're going to go to talkatoo.com. Go up to the download button at the top, and then click Download Talkatoo. Because we're on a Windows computer, we're going to click here on Download for Windows. That will download the version that most people will use. But if you happen to know that you need the 32-bit version, you can scroll down and download it from right here. Once the download is complete, we will click it on the bottom left here because I'm in Chrome. You'll see this animation here showing that it's being installed, which should only take a couple of seconds, and then you will see the sign-in screen. Go ahead and log in here with the email address and the password you created. If you're not sure about the password, you can click Forgot Your Password right below and create a new one. I'll go ahead and log in here. The first time you log in on the new computer, you will see this Talkatoo show up, and it's just a little walkthrough on getting started with Talkatoo, though we do highly recommend that you book a free one-on-one onboarding session with one of our excellent support staff. And that's it. Now you see down here on the bottom right the Talkatoo toolbar, which will sit on top of all of your other programs, so it's always available, and it will always start up with your computer by default. If you have any issues installing, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks.